To easily sublimate the sides of the polyester sock, it's essential to have the right sock inserts on hand. Having these specially shaped inserts allow for either straight or hockey-shaped socks to stay stretched while heat pressing. This allows transfers to evenly sublimate with a lower chance of untreated spots. Slide the insert into the sock as intended by its shape, then straighten its edges. Tape or use adhesive spray on one side of the sock to attach the transfer onto it. Then in between two sheets of parchment paper, press your sock with the paper side up with these settings. 385 degrees Fahrenheit at 60 seconds with medium pressure. You'll need to press each side of your sock one by one. After cooling the sock and insert away from your machine, you may peel the first transfer out. Then you may prepare the next side with the same exact steps. And just like that, your socks can look as nice and professional as any big brand socks. All it takes is using inserts that best suit your polyester socks. You can find the sock inserts shown in this video at heatpressnation.com.